Hey, what's up guys? It's Eddie from Team Overload Paintball, and I just got a huge package from ANSgear.com, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys.
How much does it weigh?
It weighs 17.1 pounds. Okay, there we go. Holy shit. One of those faggots that can't open the damn box. Alright. Here, we got some round paper bag shit.
No one gives a shit about that.
ANS Gear returns, all the company names and numbers. Nice little sticker, don't want that. Got a little catalog here. Alright, this is a little checklist to make sure I got everything. Alright, some GOG weird little things. I got 4 ANS Gear pods. I got the dye C11.
Extra large, right?
Yes, it's an extra large. I got the dye C11 pants. I got the dye C11 jersey. Very nice, very nice. Alright. I got some neon green Sly Profits. I'll unbox that later. I got a dye rotor, black and neon green. You can tell I love neon green. I got a paintball caddy hauler thing.
Holder.
I don't know what the hell it's called, I don't care. I got Red's barrel squeegees. I got an 09 4-pack NXE pod pack. I got a dye head wrap with that little mesh thing on the top. I got some HK shredders. Oh yeah, that's the shit right there. The shit. And I got my Dangerous Power Fusion FX. Now I'm gonna unbox the FX. Okay, here we go. Alright, very nice. Oh my god. Alright, here it comes. Uh-oh. We got the Fusion FX manual, full color, manual, very nice, very nice. Got some Dangerous Power stickers, sweet. Got padding and, oh my god, this thing is sick as hell. Alright, this is my Dangerous Power Fusion, nice as shit. Revolver growth trigger. This is awesome. And then under the padding, you got
A condom.
barrel condom, sock, whatever the hell you want to call it. You got your 2-piece barrel. Squeak. Allen key set. Very nice. We got some spare O-rings and detents, and then that's it for the packaging. Let's screw that in. Oh yeah, look at that. This thing is light.
And gay.
It's not gay. It's better than the Reflex or the Proto Rail, like my cameraman has. Got a nice clamping feet neck here. Got the bolt. Oh yes. The Wraps ASA revolvable trigger. Nice. And now I unbox the rotor. Oh damn! Look at that shit. Nice.
That's all that comes in it.
What? Calm down, please. Alright, got some die stickers
In a box.
and a box. Whoa.
Wow, man, that get crazy.
And then your rotor manual. Sounds nice. I'm gonna open the that profits. Shit. Alright, it comes with a goggle like case, manual. They're all stuck to the straps. I like I don't know what it is. This thing's very nice, very nice. Oh yes. Oh yeah, that's what's up. And a quad pack. Oh shit. Looks like this is very big for people like me.
It'll fit over your spare tire.
Shut up. It will fit over my spare tire. I won't need my spare tire to hold it up this time. I mean, I don't need it to hold it up. Alright, so 4 plus 3 plus 2 pod pack.
It's not 5.
What?
Isn't that 5?
No, you got 4.
You said 3 plus 2.
No, 4 plus 4 of those, plus 3 of these, and then 2 on the sides. Got that?
So 5.
Shut up. Alright, got my head wrap thing. Not putting this on because I might feel gay. Well, this isn't the speed feed that I saw, but it's a spine feed. I hear they're really nice, so can't wait to use that. I'll put that on later. And then here is the guy head wrap. Oh my god. So it has the mesh right there. Has built-in sweat band so the sweat doesn't get in your eyes. It's really thick. Then that's all done. My shredders. Damn, these things are nice. Got my other one. Oh god. I'll go ahead and put this up. Stop laughing. No, I'm not gonna spill it on you. No, sir. Nope, no batteries. Let's see if they put batteries in here. Nope. Looks like I'll have to put the batteries in. Then show you. Wait, I'm gonna use your tank to screw it in. Just show the folks at home. Alright. So you flip it out. At least I'm sorry, but your tank is a piece of shit.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Luis, why the hell? Okay, there we go. Alright. And then just goes on like that. Nice. Alright, so I'll put some batteries in here. I'm going to play paintball tomorrow. I'm going to use this thing. See how it works. See how it does. And then hopefully I'll have the air left. Hopefully I'll have air left from tomorrow and we can do a shooting video of this stuff. And I'm going to put my speed feed on tonight. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll probably have some reviews up of some of this stuff. Drop test, comment, rate, subscribe. comment, rate, subscribe, whatever, like, I don't care.
Favorite.
Thanks for watching. Favorite. Thanks for watching.